Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be I knew you were gonna make fun of me. I'm talking to the camera, okay? Today we're picking up a motorcycle, a 1989 Suzuki Katana thing. I don't exactly know what it is, but so here's some pictures of it. It runs, and basically the goal of this is we're going to try to put it back together and drive it on the street, and I don't know, maybe we'll sell it and get rid of it, we'll keep it, I don't know. But let's see, so it needs new forks. I guess they're bent and leaking, and a small crack on the crankcase cover with JB Weld, and allegedly the JB Weld is holding and it runs fine. So we'll figure that out when it actually gets here. But yeah, this is going to be the new project for the channel, and we're going to try to fix it up, and hopefully it goes better than the last one, because the last one sucked. But yeah. Alright, what's going on, guys? So the bike that we went to go pick up yesterday, we actually got stood up. We waited there for like about an hour, and the guy wouldn't answer my calls, messages, nothing like that. So we finally left. 20 minutes later, he texted me. He's like, "Hey man, I'm here, where you at?" And I just didn't believe he was actually there, and he was just kind of running us around. So today we actually got a better deal on a 95 Kawasaki ZX-7R, and it was actually a better deal than what we were getting yesterday, and a bigger and better shape of a bike. So that's what we're going to pick up today, and yeah, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so mission success. We got the bike loaded up. It's about an hour and 20-minute drive back home. So yeah, but everything looks good on the bike. We got all the pieces. Allegedly it runs. I haven't started it up or anything, but we'll find that out when we get home. Alright guys, so we finally made it home here with the new bike. I'm just gonna unload this real quick. Hopefully nothing crazy, but I noticed we got a little bit of a coolant leak here. I don't know if it's a bad pipe or if I don't know, but it's coming from right here. We got a little bit right there, so we'll check those out. That's the only bad thing I've seen on the bike. I can't tell if this is two pipes coming together. I don't know, maybe we got a bad pipe. Hopefully it's nothing crazy. Other than that, the motor doesn't look too bad underneath. So, allegedly this thing runs. I didn't even try to turn it on yet. Will it turn on? Huh? Alright. Everything turns. It's in neutral. Oh. Battery sounds a little dead. Alright, well, I was going to try to start it, but it's probably not the best idea. Oh. Fuel tank's not even hooked up. Yeah, I didn't think about that one. So I got it unloaded. Finally. A lot more difficult with one person. The guy who I bought it from helped me load it up. And the other thing is these ramps that I bought are pretty freaking steep. So that makes it a little bit harder too. Now, I may or may not have allegedly dropped it as soon as I got it off the trailers. Oops, broke something off there. I landed on the side here. I think it landed mostly on the handlebar here. Oops, I bent this a little bit. Oh, that's broken. Oh, that's cool. And this kind of broke clean off. I think there was just something, this part holding it on. But I don't know, I kind of like it without it. I don't know. Plastics are kind of beat up anyway, so. But this is the bike, ZX-7R. I know absolutely nothing about it, but it comes with all the parts that it needs to get back on the road, besides what I just kind of broke probably. But yeah, this thing's gonna be fun. Fix it up, get it running. Allegedly it does run. I don't have the fuel or anything hooked up. and the battery's kind of dead. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to see what I do with this bike. I'm probably not going to do anything right away because A, I'm having a baby, and 2, I'm selling my house. So we got a lot of stuff going on, but I want to get a project to kind of just start working on with the free time that I do have. And it's been a while since I've had a project to work on, so this is going to be the one. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.